Okay, a student sent the question to me about this problem, so I'll just do it and send it to everybody. Hopefully it'll help more than one person, but here's all the data points. We're trying to find a confidence interval. Like, I'm 90% confident that the population mean is between what number and what number. There's your answers, but how do I get there? Well, first of all, to save time, I went ahead, write down all the data points in an Excel spreadsheet, okay? Confidence interval is 0.9, and the number of data points is 13. We have to find the mean and standard deviation first. So if I go in here for the mean, I hit formulas, more functions, statistical average, and I hit all the data points. I'm grabbing it for some reason. There we go. Hit OK. Standard deviation, do the same thing. We're doing a sample. So standard deviation sample, STD, standard deviation sample, right here. Don't use the population one. And again, grab all the data. There's my standard deviation, okay? Now for the margin of error, we go to more functions, statistical confidence T. Don't use norm, use the T, confidence T. That's going to be your margin of error. Always use 1 minus your confidence level for your alpha. So if your confidence level is 0.9, your alpha is 0.1. Your standard deviation, go ahead and grab it right from the Excel spreadsheet right there. Don't retype it in. And your size is 13, which is right here. Okay. So there's your margin of error. Let Excel do everything for you. Okay. So now, remember, your lower is going to be your mean minus the margin of error, and your upper is going to be your mean plus the margin of error. So let Excel do the work for you. Hit equals. You always hit an equal when you're doing some type of calculation. So basically take your mean minus, just hit the minus sign, the margin of error, grab that cell right there. There's your lower, and do the same thing with the upper, but you're going to be plus instead of minus. So again, hit equals the mean, which is right here, plus the margin of error here, and that would be your upper. Okay, 3.714 and 6.902 should be your answers. Yep, and hope that helps.